All right, so if you have to add water to your car every day, whatever it is, if your car is using a lot of water, if it keeps overheating, there's two things that can cause that. One of them being you have a bad radiator cap. If the radiator cap gasket is dry rotted, cracked, or the spring is weak, you'll start letting pressure out before the 15 psi mark. The boiling point of the coolant increases the higher the pressure is in the reservoir. So if you get a little bit of a steam leak somewhere, that pressure in your radiator is going to drop and you're going to boil off all your coolant, and you're going to have to keep adding water to it. The other thing that can cause that is a blown head gasket. Small amounts of combustion gases will weep into the coolant system, pressurizing it up, causing the radiator cap to activate, at which point you're going to lose a little shot of boiling water, because as soon as it hits the air, it's going to flash boil and it steams out of the system and you lose your water. So if you're using water every day, you can try and buy a new radiator cap first. See if that solves the problem. Sometimes that doesn't. The other thing is get some blown head gasket repair. The stuff I'm about to show you right now, managed to keep my car going until I ended up getting a new one. It was, I can't remember the exact amount, like over 50,000 miles that I drove with this head gasket repair. All right, so essentially what we're going to do is put this stuff in the radiator. You're then going to run the car long enough to get the car up to full temperature. Then you're going to shut the car off and let it sit, and when that happens, the excess pressure built up in the radiator is going to push this material into the leak cavity, and it's going to be exposed to carbon dioxide from the combustion and the heat, and it will solidify as it's squeezing through into the piston cylinder. Because when you have a blown head gasket, when you turn your car off, water literally begins to spray from the coolant section into the combustion zone, into your piston cylinder. And this stuff is squirted into that hole, and it hardens up and fills up with little tiny metal filings and sodium silicate water glass. And you don't want to put the head gasket repair in here though, because it'll be exposed to carbon dioxide from the air and it'll get hard. So we're going to siphon out enough so that we can dump the head gasket repair back in there. And we'll use a half bottle at a time. You can see here this material is full of like little tiny metal flakes. Oops. And we're also going to top that off with coolant. You don't want to put this stuff in there. You need to put it directly in here for best results. Ooh. I've already used this stuff once, but for a while I was putting water in it every other day. So if you have to put water in your car every day, every other day, once a week, this is why. Or you have a bad radiator cap. If this radiator cap isn't holding the pressure, it'll let steam out, reducing the boiling point of the water. Water has a higher boiling point the more pressure it's under. So if this radiator cap is bad or leaks, that's another reason that you may be having a problem. So get a new radiator cap first.